Welcome to dbForge Studio for SQL Server tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to migrate a database using the Schema and Data Compare functionality of dbForge Studio for SQL Server, which is a universal IDE for various database development, management, and administration tasks. The Schema and Data Compare tools that come with the Studio allow you to easily copy a database to a different instance or server in just 3 steps. First, you create an empty database on the target server. Next, you use dbForge Schema Compare to copy the source database structure. And finally, you synchronize the contents of your 2 databases using dbForge Data Compare. As a result, your empty database becomes identical to the source. In this demo, we will copy the AdventureWorks 2019 database to another server to show you how it works. So let us start. Right-click the database you want to copy, point to Tools, and then click New Schema Comparison. The New Schema Comparison wizard opens. In the connection dropdowns, we specify the connection names for source and target. And in the database dropdown under source, we select the database that we are going to copy. Under target, we click the plus icon to create an empty database. Let's call it AdventureWorks 2019 Copy. Great! We click Apply Changes and close the dialog. Now we are ready to run Schema Comparison. Here are the comparison results. Please note that you can select database objects to be synchronized. Just clear the checkbox if you don't need that object in your target database. Now we synchronize the databases. In the Schema Synchronization wizard that opens, we select to execute the script directly against the target database and click Synchronize. Schema Compare shows the progress and the result of the synchronization, which is successful as you can see. We are now ready for Step 3, Data Synchronization. Right-click the database, the data of which you want to copy, point to Tools, then click New Data Comparison. The New Data Comparison wizard opens. Here we need to configure the connections and specify the names of the databases to be compared. Then we click Compare to initiate the comparison process. The comparison is really quick. Once it's completed, the document with the comparison results opens. And again, you can select database objects to be synchronized. Let's synchronize the data between the 2 databases. The Schema Synchronization wizard opens. We select to execute the script directly against the target database and click Synchronize. Here we go. The synchronization has been successful. dbForge Studio for SQL Server integrates a bunch of tools allowing you to transfer a database to another server. In this tutorial, we have overviewed the Schema and Data Compare functionality. Let's have a look at the pros of using it for database migration. With the Schema and Data Compare tools, you don't need to copy the entire database. You can select the database object to be copied. The wizards are intuitive and allow tailoring the process to even the most demanding requirements. And last but not least, you can easily automate and schedule data comparison and synchronization by using the command line interface and the task scheduler tool. In this video, we have demonstrated that with dbForge Studio for SQL Server, database migration is as easy as ABC. Now nothing stops you from using the Studio. Download a 30-day free trial of dbForge Studio to evaluate its database migration functionality as well as other cutting-edge features it delivers.